Hey, Mr. Peel, what's up, troll? I want to tell you a story.
Okay, that's good. Go ahead.
Thank you. Well, there was once an elephant and a rooster. The elephant always used to boast because it was so big and so strong, and it pretended to be important. Now, even though the rooster was small, it was very intelligent. So one day he said to the elephant, "Though you are so big, it doesn't mean anything. It is brain that can't not side." So the elephant said, "No, you are stupid, small animal. You are no comparison to me, no much." So the rooster said, "Alright, let's have a competition. Let's see who can drink more water." So they went down to the big river, maybe the Nuer river, and they asked all the other animals to judge. So when they start, the rooster put his beak inside the water, and the elephant put his trunk in the water and start drinking. But the rooster didn't actually drink. He was just putting his beak in the water and opening and closing it, where the elephant drank and become bigger and drank and become bigger and bigger and drank and become bigger, and he finally exploded, which goes to show that it is not size that matter, but intelligence.
Wow, what a history. That is so good.